Joy.
Hello.
So we've been getting a lot of inquiries on how to use our jams on desserts. So today we're going to show you how to use our jam on a sticky bun, aka a cinnamon roll or whatever you like to call it. So we're going to try it with our Big Apple jam using Fuji apples and Fireball whiskey. So since the cinnamon roll kind of already has that cinnamon flavor, what better way than to add a little cinnamon whiskey with your cinnamon roll? So we're going to heat it up for about 10 seconds, no more than that, and you're just going to take about a teaspoon and you're going to put it on top like so, and take like a little brush and just brush it across the top.
That looks so good.
And then she's going to taste it.
Yes, I'm so excited to taste this. This looks really, really tasty. I think I've been
It's good. It's
really
good.
good.
All right. Well, we will cheers to another episode, and we'll see you next time.
Salud.